Just a simple video regarding installing tempered glass. I'll be using my personal Mi 8 SE as the point of reference. A nice flat screen, similar to what iPhones uses, so it should be pretty transferable information. So once I've removed the old tempered glass, I can skip a step and just go straight to using isopropyl alcohol and tissue paper, and from there I can go over the screen and the sides of the phone to give it a clean. If it's a phone that hasn't had tempered glass on it for quite a while, what I'd probably recommend doing first is using some Windex and some tissue paper and going over the screen first. That should hopefully remove some just random stuck on grime more than anything. And then go over it afterwards with the isopropyl alcohol, like I'm doing right now. So just tidying up the frame of the phone. So I've gone over it with the wet end of the tissue paper, then flipped it and used the dry end just to remove it off the screen. Once you finish with the isopropyl clean, I then use just a glasses cleaning cloth, and I try and move it down in one direction. Constantly going down one direction should stop a whole bunch of fluff getting stuck on the screen or specks of dust. Have the tempered glass facing straight up to the roof and remove the film from underneath it, just so no dust gets stuck on that while you're taking it off. Then next you want to align it just loosely above the screen. So I'm aligning the tempered glass and I've just dropped it. So I've got happy with the angle it is, dropped it, and hopefully you should see something similar to this happening with your phone. A nice even stick. You don't have to push it down, or not yet anyway. Once it's fully adhered and you're happy that there's no bubbles or dust or anything in there, grab your cleaning cloth once more and then just go over the screen. And then from there you should have a nice even stick of the tempered glass. There shouldn't be any weird ripples, any bubbles, any dust. So you should have a nice good looking screen once more. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.